Hello, I'm meteorologist David Keller, and this is your Fox KRBK.com weather update. Winter storm approaching the Ozarks today, and a winter storm warning has been issued for just about everybody, and an ice storm warning for northern Arkansas. This goes into effect this evening and runs through 6 p.m. on Thursday, and this is for the potential for some significant accumulations of freezing rain, sleet, and snow. The better chances for freezing rain being across southern Missouri, northern Arkansas. The better chances for heavy snow being across central and northwest Missouri. Here in the middle, we're going to see a mix of everything. A little bit of snow, a little bit of sleet, and a little bit of freezing rain. We'll get to that in just a moment. But for your Wednesday, lots of cloud cover, maybe a few showers or snow showers or a sprinkle or even a sleet shower, but not much going on during the day today. So if you need to make preparations, if you know your roads are going to get bad overnight tonight and during the day on Thursday, and you need to go get supplies, now is the time to do it because it is going to be quiet. It's the calm before the storm. After about 8 o'clock tonight is when I think the precipitation is going to be starting to move in from southwest to northeast. So at that point, overnight tonight is when I think the roads are going to begin to deteriorate. So now is the time again to get out and get any of those last minute errands you need to do. Temperatures this afternoon, they're going to be chilly. 35 degrees here in Springfield, 35 in Bolivar, 34 in Warsaw, and got 38 on there in Joplin, but they saw a little bit of snow already today, so that might be just a little bit too warm. And with these cold temperatures now and overnight dropping into the 20s, that is going to set the stage for the winter weather moving into the region. So when it does start to rain or sleet or snow, it's going to stick, it's going to freeze, and it's going to make some travel treacherous across the area. So again, here is this evening. This is going to be about 6 o'clock tonight. You can see the precipitation. It's still down south and west of our region, but after about 6 o'clock from 9 o'clock to midnight, that begins to spread into our area. And then tomorrow morning, we may get a brief break, and then another wave of sleet, snow, and freezing rain moves across the region. And it's going to stick around for a good portion of the day on Thursday. By about 3 o'clock, I think we'll begin to see it in from west to east. And by tomorrow evening, I think most of us will just be seeing some leftover snow showers and no more significant accumulation. So here's what I'm talking about as far as snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Heavy snow, that's going to be north and west of us towards Kansas City, north of Harrisonville, where they could see 5, 10, 12, 15 inches of snow in some places. The heavier snow amounts are going to be across Kansas and Nebraska. From Nevada to Warsaw, across the northern portions of our area, that's going to be a lot of sleet and snow, but that sleet, that's going to cut into snow amounts. So you're going to probably see 2 to 4 inches of that sleet and snow mixture. Along the I-44 corridor, we're going to see more freezing rain and sleet instead of snow. We could still see 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet a combination, but a little worried about this ice potential, up to a 1/4 inch of ice. When we have the freezing rain and the ice accumulating on power lines and roadways, we can always have to worry about power outages. And then to the south, from Branson to West Plains to Harrison, could still see up to an inch of sleet and maybe a little bit of snow, but I'm more worried about the ice down there. That's why there's a ice storm warning for northern Arkansas for this potential of a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of ice. When you get close to a 1/2 inch of ice, that's really when you start to see problems with the power lines, with tree branches breaking, and it really makes the roads icy and dangerous. So this is going to be a significant winter storm moving into the area again, starting later tonight and lasting through the day on Thursday. So as you're out and about, just be sure to be aware of the conditions, and if you don't have to travel on the roads, I wouldn't. But after the storm moves out, we do calm down for a while. Skies begin to clear on Friday, a high of 38, 42 on Saturday, 53 by Sunday. So I think by the time we get to the weekend, all the sleet, snow, and ice that falls will be melting off, thankfully. And then we have another system. We could have some showers or snow showers Monday into Tuesday. But again, stay tuned as this storm gets closer. We'll have more updates for you on FoxKRBK.com as well as on Fox KRBK-TV.